in Dillsboro, North Carolina.
Really? What's special about Dillsboro?
I don't really know. It's a really small town. It's at the end of this train line. And they probably made a deal with this town, the train company, saying we'll drop off these hundreds of people by your town every day if we get a cut of the action. So we just got dropped off for about an hour and a half layover in Dillsboro, and we're trying to figure out something to do until we go back. So. Yeah, we can go in there.
I'm looking for a purse.
Purse?
Yeah, I got my last purse a year ago on our honeymoon.
Yep, so you want to get one like this?
Yeah. That's a little too much for me.
Oh. Well. What's that?
It's gigantic.
Oh.
I thought they were fake.
Until one of them started jumping around the cage. Trend with this wall right here. Something about that one and that one and oh, this one right here, that one and that one. Hot sauce. Oop, and then that one.
Will's enjoying himself. What you got there?
It's a cookies and cream malt.
Sounds
You
good.
got one too.
I do have one.
And the train's right over there. We're just waiting to leave. We didn't really find anything we wanted to buy, so we're just hanging out at the soda fountain. One thing we actually learned on this little train ride was that right up here was where the scene in that movie The Fugitive was filmed when Harrison Ford was riding the Illinois Department of Corrections buses and was demolished by a train. And this is the wreckage of those buses, Illinois Department of Corrections.